Hello everyone, welcome to shorthand classes. In this video, let us continue the continuation for intervening vowels and position. As you all know, we already completed till 10th exercise. I've assigned you some work to practice 9th and 10th exercise. Hope you all practice them thoroughly. So now we'll quickly move to grammar locks part, which is very important. So in shorthand, grammar locks, also called as logograms, plays very important role. With the help of these grammar locks, you can improve your speed in shorthand. అండర్స్టూడ్. ఈ గ్రామ్ లాగ్స్ ద్వారా మన షార్ట్ హ్యాండ్లో స్పీడ్ అనేది చాలా ఇంప్రూవ్ అవుతుంది. ఈ గ్రామ్ లాగ్స్ అనేది షార్ట్ కట్స్. సో విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ది షార్ట్ కట్స్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ సమ్ వర్డ్స్ వెరీ ఫాస్ట్లీ అండ్ వెరీ అక్యురేట్లీ. ఓకే, సో లెట్ మీ డిస్కస్ వాట్ డూ యూ మీన్ బై గ్రామ్ లాగ్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఇన్ డీటెయిల్. ఓకే, frequently occurring words are represented. Okay, frequently occurring words are represented in shorthand by a single sign as B for B. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీరు బీ రాయాలనుకున్నారనుకోండి, ఈ బీ రాయాలంటే మీరు సింపుల్గా బీ అనే స్ట్రోక్ని ఆన్ ద లైన్ రాస్తే అది బీ అయిపోతుంది. సపరేట్గా దానికి మళ్ళీ త్రూ ద లైన్ రాసి వోల్స్ పెట్టి అదంతా అవసరం లేదు. సింపుల్గా బీ అంటే ఇట్లా రాస్తే అయిపోతుంది. టు బీ అంటే త్రూ ద లైన్ రాస్తాము. సో లైక్ వైజ్ వీ హ్యావ్ సమ్ గ్రామర్ లాక్స్. సో these words are called grammar locks or letter words. Okay, and the shorthand characters that represent them are called as logograms. వాటిని ఏమనొచ్చు, గ్రామర్ లాక్స్ అనొచ్చు, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ లోగోగ్రామ్స్ అని కూడా అనొచ్చు అనమాట. గాట్ ఇట్? లేకపోతే వర్డ్ లెటర్స్ అని కూడా అనొచ్చు అనమాట. At the head of the following exercises, some logograms are given, okay, which must be committed to memory. Okay, at the head of the ఫాలోయింగ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ అంటే ముందు ఇక్కడ చూసినట్లయితే మీరు గ్రామర్ లాక్స్ అని కొన్ని ఇచ్చాడు. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ అన్ని మీకు ఈ గేవ్ సమ్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ గ్రామర్ లాక్స్. ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ అస్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్ ఆల్ దిస్ గ్రామర్ లాక్స్. ఓకే, అండ్ ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ అస్ టు పుట్ ఇట్ ఇన్ అవర్ మెమరీ సో దట్ ఇవి ఎప్పుడు వచ్చినా కానీ సడన్గా మీరు రాసే కెపాసిటీలో ఉండాలి కాబట్టి. ఓకే, అయితే దీస్ ఆర్ క్యారెక్టర్స్. ఓకే, దీస్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఆర్ రిటర్న్ అబోవ్, ఆన్ ఆర్ త్రూ ద లైన్. అయితే ఈ గ్రామర్ లాక్స్ని మనం రాస్తే అబోవ్ ద లైన్ రాస్తాం, లేదా ఆన్ ద లైన్, లేదా త్రూ ద లైన్. సో విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ 3 పొజిషన్స్, 3 ప్లేసెస్, వీ కెన్ రైట్ దిస్ గ్రామర్ లాక్స్. వన్ మోర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఈజ్ punctuation. Okay, one more important thing is punctuation. Punctuation marks you all know already. We have different types of punctuation marks. Okay, let me write here. For example, in English, let me write here. Here we'll write in shorthand. In English, for full stop, you use dot. Am I right? Whereas in shorthand, you should not use dot. You should use one small cross, okay, so that it will indicate full stop. Got it? So it will indicate full stop. Now for comma, we have to use comma itself in shorthand. For colon, we have to use 2 cross because dot we are representing with into. In the same manner, here also dot should be represented with 2 into marks. Now semicolon, you have to use 1 dot and 1 comma because comma is represented as it is. Okay, now question mark we'll use like this in English, whereas in shorthand this X mark will come. Simple, no need to worry. Just in the place of dot you need to replace it with into mark. Exclamation mark, like this we'll write. Okay, small hyphen means, small dash means in shorthand. Like this we need to understand. If you want to have new paragraph, then use this symbol. Okay, whenever you are shifting any paragraph and all. Got it? Hope you understood. Now you could see the period of or full stop is represented by a small cross as I explained you. Thus into, okay, the dash etla manam ee vidhanga represent chestam. The note of interrogation and the note of exclamation idi vidhanga already explained you. Other punctuation marks are written as usual. Okay na, commas ivanni. 2 short lines underneath the outline indicate an initial capital. అయితే ఏదైనా ఒక వర్డ్ ఉందనుకోండి, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక అవుట్లైన్ ఇక్కడ రాస్తాను నేను, ఓకేనా. ఎంఎన్డి, ఇది దీని కింద నేను ఇట్లా 2 లైన్స్ పెడతా. దట్ మీన్స్ ఇది ఇప్పుడు నేను రాసింది మండే అనమాట, MONDAY. ఇట్లా ఎందుకు 2 లైన్స్ కింద పెడతామంటే టు ఇండికేట్ దట్ ద స్టార్టింగ్ లెటర్ ఆఫ్ ది వర్డ్ ఈజ్ అ క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి, మండేలో క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్. అదేవిధంగా ఇంకా మిగతావి చూసుకున్నట్లయితే ఇక్కడ కెనడా, ఈ కెనడాలో CANADAలో C క్యాపిటల్ అని అర్థం అనమాట. గాట్ ఇట్. సో ఈ విధంగా మనము పంక్చుయేషన్స్ అనేది ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. Now let us discuss about grammar logs, which are very important. Okay, so we have different grammar logs like a han. Whenever you put a small dot, okay, step by step we'll see here. A han. In shorthand, whenever you put a dot above the line, okay, if you put dot above the line, that will become a or a han. According to sentence context, but you can use either of these two. You can use a or an. For example, if you want to say this is an egg, so this is, this dot, okay, this will represent a or an, egg. Here what will come? A will come or an will come? An will come, because we are using articles here. Whenever we have vowel sound here, we use an. Whenever we have consonant sound this word, we have to use a. Got it? So in the same manner, this is a book. This is a book. Here a will come, not an. Okay, this is an book, we won't tell, right? So we have to use dot. Okay, it may be heavy dot or light dot. Use above the line. Okay, use heavy dot. Okay, for your clear understanding. Next, the will be represented as dot on the line, heavy dot on the line. Press your pencil and write the on the line. Okay, okay, exactly on the line, a and above the line. Next we have all. So if you take B now, okay, we have B like this, so cut it to half length, so remaining will be left this much. Got it? In that remaining part again cut it some more, so leftover is this much only. Okay, got it? In this manner write above the line. Okay, heavy stroke. Okay, don't get confused. Heavy, it should be written heavy. All, all. Likewise, each grammar log practice 6 to 8 lines compulsory, then only you can remember. Okay, grammar logs are very important. In every context or every paragraph you will be getting grammar logs up to 40 to 50%. So practice these grammar logs thoroughly and try to become perfect. Now we have two. Okay, we can write TWO or TOO as like this. All will be written above the line, two, and two will be written on the line. Simple. Opposite to that, that is above the line, this on the line. Both are heavy stroke. Okay, that's why I'm writing little bit heavy. That's why I'm pressing my pencil. Got it? Next we have off. Off I will write, we have P, right? Okay, if you cut it off, the leftover will be this much. Again from that cut it off, the leftover will be this much. You can see the difference. Off is a light stroke, all is a heavy stroke. Okay, write above the line, off. Write slowly, practice perfectly. Next we have two. Two should be written on the line, like this is written above the line, this is on the line. Opposite, two, downward direction. Okay, two, exactly on the line you have to write. After that we have on. Okay, like you write T, right? So T ko half, we have to make it off, remaining will be this much. Again from that half we have to cut it, you will get this much. So it is light stroke, on. Practice like that. Next we have but. So on is written above the line, but is written on the line. Exactly opposite, light stroke. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can see this pic if you have any doubts and further. Okay, next we have AWE, AUGHT and OUGHT. These are pronounced as or, art, ought. Got it? So these all can be represented by C. If you write J like this, heavy, if you cut it, the leftover will be this much. From that, if you remove, the leftover will be this much. Downward direction. Okay, come down direction. Or, ought, art. Or, ought, art. Above the line. Okay. సో యాజ్ నేను చెప్పేటప్పుడు మీరు బాగా విని మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, అదేవిధంగా అబౌవ్ ద లైన్, ఆన్ ద లైన్ అని చెప్పి. నెక్స్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ హూ. హూ కూడా సేమ్ ఆట్ లాగానే, బట్ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి రిటర్న్ ఆన్ ద లైన్, డౌన్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్. ఓకే, వీ షుడ్ నాట్ రైట్ అప్, ఇట్ విల్ బికమ్ రాంగ్. Downward direction is correct one. Next we have and. A&D hand. And itla ante upward direction, it should be written upward. Like we have ray, right? Light stroke is if you make it half, remaining will be this much. If you make it a half, this much. Okay, right? Upward light stroke. And. Practice slowly, okay? After that we have should, should, so should be written on the line, upward direction, same like hand only but on the line. Should. Likewise, practice all these grammar logs and try to make sure you remember all this and you put it in your memory thoroughly. After that, try to practice exercise 11. So first try to read it out, okay? Like they. After completing grammar logs, come here. Should, ish, p. First read ish, read preceding vowel and p. Ship. This is all grammar log, okay? All. The, k, l. O is there. After k, second place O is there. Coal. On. M, n, d. M के बाद we have ha vowel. D के बाद we have a vowel. So it will become Monday. Yet we give two hyphens like to indicate it's a capital letter in the beginning. The 10th, the 10th of May. Okay, May also he gave two lines here. So that means in May, M is capital. Likewise, read once. After reading, come to your practicing page. Like right here. They should ship all the coal on Monday the May something, okay? Write it. Right now try to practice in shorthand. They should ship all the coal on Monday the May. Like this. Full stop. Like this practice 8 lines minimum. 8 lines are compulsory. If you want to become perfect, practice maximum 8 lines, minimum 6 lines. Got it? So complete all this. Complete all this up to 5. Okay, if you want it in English, I'll provide you key. Okay, key will be provided down for 11th exercise. After that, come to 12th exercise. Write in shorthand. Okay, without seeing, you try to write first. Okay, without seeing, try to write it in shorthand. Like they, I will write they, heavy stroke on the line. Should ask. In ask we have yes, above the line K. Ask. The is grammar log on the line. Head, upward edge D. Okay, use upward edge of the academy to change the date. Write in shorthand. If you make any mistakes, just correct it by saying key, but don't completely depend on key. Okay, key is just for your supporting factor, but it's not the complete factor which is focused for you. Okay, you need to just depend on your skill, not on any other keys. Okay, so practice all this up to 5. Got it? So practice 6 to 8 lines minimum, maximum. After completing all this, come to key here. Okay, this is key. Okay, this is key. Don't get confused with key and all. This is key for 11th exercise, for 12th exercise. Take screenshot of this. Done. In case if you don't have textbook, then only take this screenshot, otherwise not required. Okay, now come to practical exercise. Take this page screenshot for grammar logs. Done. Okay, now come to 12th exercise and take the screenshot of this page. And here you have summary. Summary is very helpful if you are attending theory exam for paper 2. Okay, like this will like some tips, like some shortcut summaries and all. Okay, you will tell now like short notes and all. So try to learn this and try to become perfect. Try to become master in rules and regulations of writing shorthand. So by this we completed third chapter, that is intervening vowel and position. In the next video, I'll discuss about fourth chapter, which is called as alternative forms for R and HM. Okay, until then keep practicing.